Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech and Crypto. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to fix Instagram camera filter missing. Now, if your only one filter is missing on your Instagram, you can try to check it in the browser. You can swipe all the way to the left and then tap on browse effect. Once you do that, here you can view all of the camera filters that are available on Instagram. You can also tap on the search bar and then search for the name. Once you find the effect that you like or you're trying to find, you can tap on the save. So next time you would easily find it here and you won't need to go into the browse effect. Now if you don't see that particular filter, what you can do is you can try to update the app of Instagram. Open up the Play Store or the App Store and search for Instagram. If there is an update, make sure you tap on update and update the app. Now the next thing that you can also do is you can tap on the Instagram logo right here, and if you scroll down a bit, you should have an option of beta tester. Beta versions are the latest and test versions of any kinds of application which has all the latest features. Because I've already joined mine, it says leave, but yours should say join right here. You can tap and join the beta version of Instagram. Now once you join the beta version, you can try to check if it adds the filter that you're trying to find. If it still does not, you need to check if that particular filter is available on your country or in your region or not, because all of the filters are not available in every region or at every country. So make sure you also check that out. And those were some of the things that you can do in order to fix Instagram camera filter missing. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.